Welcome. In this session, we are going to discover how many customers use Facebook. For example, let's say I have a website available and from a long period of time, I'm taking registration information of my users and I'm storing that into a database on our website. Now today, I would like to promote my product over internet, or let's say over to all the users available on Facebook. And I would like to share this information to my existing users whose email IDs I have available in my database. So in order to create a targeted audience and in order to make a lookalike audience, you can quickly learn the concepts using this session. Now what we actually have is, we have billion number of users available on Facebook and more than 40% of Americans log in every day onto this one-to-one account. Since these numbers are impressive, they don't say how many of your customers use Facebook. So with the Facebook ad tool, you can quickly analyze your current customer base by uploading their emails and identifying the actual number of users available on Facebook with respect to your email list by using Facebook's graph data. To use the Facebook ads tool, you have to find out how many customers you have on Facebook. You have to follow the following steps. In the first step, you have to export your email list. This email list can be available on a customer database or it can be available on a customer relations management tool as well. Now what you have to do is, you have to download the email list in a CSV file and then you have to upload it on Facebook ad tool. This file should be a CSV file or it could be a text file as well. You don't need any other data apart from email IDs in order to do that. First you have to download the information and keep it on your hard drive and then you have to upload it on Facebook. As far as security is concerned, you don't need to worry about Facebook stealing your emails, because when you will upload your list, the data is hashed in the browser. This means that Facebook won't have access to any emails that's not associated with a Facebook user. So now what we want to do is, let me show you an example set available. I have an example set available with respect to my audience here, and I have a set of emails available. At the moment, I'm actually having an email list of around 1207 users. So I would like to identify, apart from these 1207 users, how many of my users are available on Facebook. So now in order to do that, we have to quickly open, we would like to quickly open Facebook. We'll go to Chrome. We have to go to the Facebook ad tool. Now what you have to do is, you need to have an account available on Facebook ads and you can quickly browse to that using facebook.com/ads and you can move to create. As soon as you browse to this URL, I'll write the URL for your reference here. You have to browse to this URL facebook.com/ads/create, and as soon as you reach to this URL, you have to quickly build an audience. In order to build an audience, you can go to Ads Manager, you can go to Audiences, and you can quickly create a new audience here. You can quickly click on Create Audience. We like to quickly create a custom audience. This customer audience we want to create from a customer file. We'll add customers from our own file. We'll quickly click here. Now once on this page you have to add the customer list. You can see the template information from here. In case if you want to find the customers from their email IDs, you can quickly identify the format here. You can quickly click on email and you're going to get the example email IDs in which you have to specify. You can quickly search users with respect to their numbers, their state, country, date of birth and a lot of other information. Now we have to quickly upload the file here. We'll go to the desktop. On the desktop, we'll have a file available and this file is known as My Audience. I would like to use this My Audience file, which is 30.0 KB. Quickly click open. As soon as the file gets uploaded, I'm going to set the name for my audience and let's say I would like to define the audience as the audience which is available to me in August. In case if you want to rename it, you can quickly do that stuff. Now once I have this information available, I would like to upload my audience. So once this file has been selected, we'll quickly click on next. The email IDs have been mapped here. So it has been already identified that the file which I have uploaded is an email. One column has been mapped. Now we'll quickly click on upload and create. As soon as we quickly click on upload and create, you can see that around 1207 rows have been uploaded, and at the background my audience has been created here. So it may took a few minutes to finish matching your customers to people on Facebook. We'll notify you when your audience is ready to use. You can also check the status in Audience Manager. So now generally it takes around 5 minutes in order to match the audience, and as soon as your audience is ready, you can quickly use it. So now once I will click on done. Now here, once we have executed this, so the audience is under updation at the moment, and once the updates are done, we will be able to identify how many actual users are available from my existing list on Facebook, and then we can quickly create advertisements and we can promote our latest products and latest advertisements to all the users who are available on Facebook, and they are our previous customers as well, those who have registered with us. So using this option, you will be able to identify a custom audience which is interacting with your services and products, and they exist on Facebook. Now once this demonstration is completed, you will be able to create a lookalike audience on Facebook. This will help you out identify same type of customers which are already interacting with your products and services who are available on Facebook. You will be able to target your ads to all of those people who match the same characteristics with respect to your existing audience. We'll quickly wait for till the audience has been updated. Now once Facebook finishes off identifying your audience, you can quickly see that from the list of 1207 email IDs, I've got a list of around 1000 number of users are available on Facebook. So that's a great thing for me. So we'll quickly go to my audience, and as soon as you go to my audience, you can quickly see that it's a custom audience which is of size 1000, and there are a lot of things available. So now what you can do is, once you have got your my audience created, you can go to other options, like you can create an advertisement for this audience, you can create a lookalike audience. So from this 1000 number of people which are available and who are interacting with my service, I can quickly create a lookalike audience. And as far as this lookalike audience is concerned, I will select my audience, I will search for locations. Let's say I would like to select my users in India at the moment. I would like to go and select for people in India. So you can see that depending on the lookalike audience, in India I have around 2.2 million people available. So now let's say I would like to go to a region, and let's say I would like to search for something like country India, and within this India we can go to region. In case if you want to go for regions, you can do that, otherwise you can quickly identify the interests here. So once we have got the country selected, now you can see that the resulting audiences are, you can reach to an estimated reach of around 218,000 people with respect to your current audience. So at the moment you are just 1% of the total number of people who match or share the same characteristics on internet. You can quickly go to advanced options, and you can see that you can quickly go for 1% of the audience and 2% to 5% of the audience. So this means a lot of people are there on India with respect to percentage of countries. So this is how you can quickly create a custom audience and you can promote your products to them. Now once you have promoted your products to them, you can quickly share the information as well. Now you have to create a business in order to share that. So this is the custom audience which has been updated, and it has added around 1208 rows from this. So this activity has been done. So now finally we need to get our answer that after Facebook has finished hashing the data, how quickly we can identify number of Facebook users which are available in our email list exists on Facebook. So what we can quickly do, we can quickly go to the ads page again and we can identify the number of Facebook users which are available. So now what we can do is we can quickly go to Facebook ads create option again. So we'll quickly go to the URL ads create, and as soon as we go to ads create option, we can quickly select any of the existing options on the panel here. Let's say I would like to draw traffic to my user, to my website. We'll quickly click on traffic option here. We're going to create a new campaign. As soon as we go to new campaign, we can select website or messenger, and we can go to use a saved audience here. So you can provide name of the custom audience which you want to take in. So I would like to use a saved audience, or I can use a custom audience as well. So as far as this custom audience is concerned, I have around my audience. So we'll quickly select my audience and your estimated size is identified. So now you can see that out of your 1208 email IDs, around 830 people are available on Facebook. So these are the estimations which are available. So it is less than 1000 people. So it's recommended that you can quickly search for a look-alike audience that will quickly help you out reach your customers. So let's say if I want to reach my customers, let's say I've specified the daily budget of 1000. If I go for a daily budget of 2000, let's say I would like to go to a daily budget of 5000 rupees, daily budget of 10,000 rupees. I'm just trying it out. So in case if you want to reach all your customers quickly per day, you can quickly set a target audience and you will reach to all the number of users who are available on Facebook with respect to your ID. Thank you for watching.